Welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today I want to share with you a super soft, juicy, and incredibly delicious meatball recipe with soda that will make you forget all the meatball recipes you know. Grate 1 large onion into a mixing bowl. As you can see in the video, if it releases excess juice, remove the juice from the bowl. Add 500 grams of medium-fat ground beef. Add half a tea glass of breadcrumbs or stale breadcrumbs. Add about 1 dessert spoon of salt, 1 heaping teaspoon of ground red pepper, and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Also add 1 teaspoon of cumin and half a teaspoon of black pepper. You can adjust the amount of salt and spices to your own taste. Add 1 dessert spoon, which is half a packet, of baking powder. Add 1 tea glass of soda, meaning plain mineral water. Now knead the meatball mixture well. We need to knead it very well. I kneaded it for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then cover the bowl. Let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 1 to 2 hours. If you have time, you can let it rest overnight. That way your meatballs will be much more flavorful. I let it rest in the fridge for about 1.5 hours. To shape the meatballs easily, you can occasionally wet your hands with water. Take slightly larger than walnut-sized pieces and shape them. Since I'll cook them in the oven grill, I'm placing them on a tray lined with parchment paper. If you prefer, you can also cook them in a thick-bottomed pan after heating it well, flipping both sides. They turn out great when cooked in a pan too. After shaping all the meatballs, place 2 to 3 sliced tomatoes in the empty spaces on the tray. Add 6 to 7 green peppers as well. To make them brown nicely, brush some oil over the peppers and tomatoes. We're only brushing oil on the tomatoes and peppers. There's no need to brush the meatballs. Then place the tray on the top rack of the oven preheated to 250 degrees Celsius with the grill function on. They browned in about 7 to 8 minutes, as you can see. Flip them with tongs. Also flip the tomatoes and peppers. Place them back on the top rack of the 250 degrees Celsius oven with grill mode on. The other side takes about 7 to 8 minutes to cook as well. In about 15 to 16 minutes total, the meatballs are nicely browned. As you can see, they browned beautifully. As shown in the video, you can clearly see how amazing these meatballs are. They're soft as cotton and juicy inside. They turned out amazing and are also super practical to make. They tasted wonderful. I'm sure you'll love them too when you try. I highly recommend you try them at least once. I especially look forward to your comments if you give it a try. Hope to see you again in different recipes. Thanks for watching.